Hey everybody, welcome back. Patty Ann here. Listen, I have something I want to show you over on my website today. It's been there for a while, but some of you may not have known about it. It's a free resource that Nancy Backus made for us probably close to a year ago. It's a really cool resource for anybody who likes to make cards. And the reason being is it'll make you those little frames, whether they're circular frames or ovals or squares or whatever. And you don't need die cuts. So what am I talking about? You know, little frames like this that you can make layered frames on the inside and the outside. But not only can you do it this way, you'll get these pieces afterwards that you cut out that you can use and to make another card or something and have it reverse ordered so that it kind of grows up towards you. Oh, and by the way, I have the link to this stamp set down below. It's a super cute little stamp set. It's on sale until October 25th of 2020, and it's 25% off. It's really cute. If you like doing digi stamps, and we're going to show you how we use this digi stamp this Sunday in our digi club. But anyway, let's go over to my website, and I'm going to show you how to use these things that Nancy developed, for us. Okay, here we are at my website, and of course if you want to check it out, you can go to Facebook groups. I have 2 of them here listed. I have classes, lots of them listed there. The library, that's where we're headed. And story time with Patty Ann. I tell stories to my little grandbabies who I have not been able to see because of breaking my ankle, being sick, COVID. They're going to turn 4, and I don't think I've seen them for a year and a half. But anyway, let's go to the library. And when we're in the library, you'll see all these things that we develop, and you'll see these. And if you go down to the bottom, you'll see the things that Nancy made for us. So there are 3 different sets of templates. I usually use the A2 size because I like that size card, although there are other cards as well. And she does give you how wide this whole template would be in case you're going to bring this into Cricut Design Space. But Nancy provides lots of information within her file about using this in Cricut Design Space or anywhere. So all you would do is click on it, whatever one, and it's going to download right here as a zip file. And of course you'll have to unzip it. Once you unzip it, you can open it into Silhouette Studio. So let's go there now. Okay, when you open Nancy's file in Silhouette Studio, you'll notice you get a bazillion different ones, and these are all the A2 size card templates. So I have all of these templates, and she gives you all kinds of information here that you can read at your leisure to make more sense of all of this. But for now, I'm just going to grab all this and move it over to the side. And then I'm going to bring this card back in because she does give us the card base, and I went ahead and got a tree on Creative Fabrica. Now, some of you know I used to be a teacher, and so winging it a little bit just drives me crazy, but I'm going to wing this a little bit and see what we can come up with. So what I could do now is, is this. I could first, if I wanted to, start picking out some of these pieces to use. Okay, so there's one. Maybe I want to have another one behind it like that, and another one behind it like that. And see, all I need to do then is to cut these pieces out. I don't need any fancy schmancy cutting things. If you go to try to put these back in order, she has them fixed so that they're going to go back right where they belong. You can't mess them up. So they're going to go back in order just like this. So I could have used those. If I prefer, I could use, let's see if this is big enough for the tree. Yeah, let's see. I'm not sure. See, like I haven't played with these for a while because you forget they're here if you don't use them. I don't remember if these are big. Oh, that's smaller. All right, so let me make my tree just a little teeny bit smaller, like it's like you're really peeking through a keyhole at it. So I'll just bring over some of these and line them up and see what we get. So I'll put that one there. And see, now this one's a little bit different because when you line these up, notice you not only see the outer edge, but you see the inner edge of that color as well. See, watch, when I put this one on here, isn't that cool? I mean, these are really neat. Of course, you don't have to cut them out of these colors that Nancy's provided here. You can cut them out of any color you'd like. Okay, so you'd have all of those. And my gosh, that would be so layered up and cute like that. You know, once you glue it on there properly with them all together. Let me move this and I'll just grab all this stuff and maybe say center. Yeah, there we go. So then I could put it on a white card if I wanted to. I'll make this card white. And as I said, I could change these to any color I would like. Maybe grab some colors that she has used or that the Creative Fabrica people have used in their tree. Boop. And maybe grab this one and make it the green. So I'll try to get the green of the tree. And maybe grab, I don't know, this, the outer one, and make it the gold of the star. But this is just willy-nilly what I'm doing. This would all be up to you. You will be the designer. Okay, that is too bright. I don't like that at all, but, you know, let's make this gray one right here. I'm going to make it black and see if that helps or makes it worse. I don't know. That might have made it worse, but you know what? I don't know for sure. Maybe it's just this yellow that's just way too bright, but you just get the idea. So all you would do then is you wouldn't need to cut this backing piece, of course. You could print and cut this, and you could print and cut all of these. Or just get the color of paper that you want to use. Or click on one and come over here to the paint palette and go to the print area and grab a print that you like here, or find one from Creative Fabrica that you might like. Like I usually like this. Okay, and how about that and that together? Nice, right? Classy? And maybe that's all that you'd really want. Let's see, what will this do? This will go there. Yeah, I think I don't like that so much. But what I could do is make that the color of this, and the backing that green. So anyway, you can just mix and match and mix and match, and what a stunning card this would be, right? Put that right over there. So anyway, my point today was to show you this fabulous resource that's available to you for free at my website, thanks to Nancy. So I hope you'll utilize it. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you all again next time. Bye-bye.